everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another motivational clean with me. I hope you're all well, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Kira. I do a bunch of motivational cleaning videos here on my channel, as well as a bunch of motherhood videos as well. So if that's something that you're interested and like to watch, I would love you to consider subscribing to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a big clean. So it's going to be a speed clean, but I'm going to try and get done as much as possible. So I ended up getting done the kitchen, the living room, the hallway, and the baby's room in this video. And the baby's room was really bad as well. But without further ado, let's get on into this clean with me. Alright my lovelies, so the first thing that I'm going to start out by doing is in the kitchen, and I'm going to start off by doing the dishes and cleaning the sink. Then I'm going to go ahead and put all the dishes away and start wiping the worktops.
It got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. It got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. Wizard of Oz can't undo what I've done. Completely out of luck this time. I'm stuck in reverse. I gotta get away now, but I can't seem to take the lead. Oh baby, how could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. Still, I find myself hoping that you'll find your way back to me. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold. Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame.
Alright, so now that the kitchen is done, I'm going to go ahead and move into the living room, and the first thing that I'm going to start off by doing is wiping over the children's toys and table. So obviously they're always touching these throughout the day, as they're always in the living room, and they also eat off their table as well. So I'm just going to wipe everything down with some Zaflora and make them all nice and clean.
Simply see that I was sick at heart.
now that everything's all clean, I'm going to go ahead and put my rugs down. I haven't put these rugs down in such a long time, but I thought I would put them down today as a little change, and then I'm just going to use my 1001 in the orange scent and spray that over the rugs. Now moving on to the hallway, so I'm just going to give the floor a quick brush over and then wipe down all the surfaces in the hallway and give it a quick mop also. Moving on to the stairs, I'm just going to sprinkle some shaken vac all the way up the stairs, and then I'm going to go ahead and hoover it. Using the hoover that I've got, it does take me quite a while, so obviously I've cut the clips down for you guys because I have to kind of drag my hoover all the way up the stairs to get the whole stairs done, so it is quite a long process. Obviously I've sped it up for you guys, but I do absolutely love the hoover. I do want a Shark one, either a Shark one or I want a Dyson, so that's going to be my next purchase because I do love this hoover, but it is a little bit hard to get into certain surfaces, especially because I've got dogs as well, so I need a really good hoover that's really good with pet hair as well.
It's my fault. I'll give you my heart, you can crush it.
Alright, moving on to the baby's room. So this massive pile that you see here, guys, is the massive pile that was on top of Carter's toddler bed. And as you can see, I had a lot of stuff to move off it. But unfortunately, for some reason, my phone decided to zoom in on the clip. So it was quite hard to see what I was doing. But I'm still going to leave the clip in so you guys can see that I did move everything off the bed. And that was a long process in itself. But then I just went ahead and changed Carter's bed sheets, and we are finally moving him back into his room. So he was in his room for a while. He came back in with us, and now he's back and forth. So we're trying to move him in to his bed, and now that his bed is all clear, it's going to be a lot easier because obviously he was in with us. This was kind of my place where I put all of our clean washing and then just a bunch of other stuff that kind of piled up here because I haven't had a tumble dryer. But now that I finally got my tumble dryer back and working, I've just done a bunch of laundry and I've just put them all here ready to be folded, which now have been sorted. As you guys will see in this video, I do sort through all of Carter and Ivana's clothes and hang everything up as well. Street light. we're coming to the end of the video now. All I've got to do is spray some 1001 over the floor and spray some Febreze in the room, and that is everything done. I hope you enjoyed the video today, guys. I got a lot done, and if you haven't subscribed already, like I said, I would love you to consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.